Assalamualaikum students. Today we start exercise 6.10. In 6.10 exercise, this exercise is related to the word problems. Word problems means the question is in statement form. First of all, we have to understand the question, write down the data, and then we will solve. There are three main steps to solve word problems. One is to get the data, understand what he is asking the question, and how to relate these two. What is the formula to find out the result? In the first question is Ahmad added 5 in the twice of a number. Then he subtracted half of the number from the result. Finally he got the answer 8. Find the number. So we have to find the number. So let the required number is equal to x. According to the condition, he is saying Ahmad added 5 in the twice of the number. Ahmad added 5 in the twice of the number. Then he subtracted half of the number from the resultant. He subtracted half of the number from this. The number answer is equal to 8. Finally he got the answer 8. Now first of all 2x minus 1 over 2x is equal to 8 minus 5. Combine these two and take this 5 from left to right. Simplify these two. LCM 4x minus x divided by 2 is equal to 3. 4x minus x, 3x by 2. Then 3x is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. 3x is equal to, dividing 3 on both sides, so x is equal to 2. Hence, the required number is 2. Again I repeat, he is asking find the number, so required number is x. Condition is that Ahmad added 5 in the twice of a number. Then he subtracted half of the number. Half of the number means 1 by 2 into x divided by 2. So combine like terms here, 2x minus 1 over 2x, and take this 5 from left to right. Take the LCM, simplify it. 3x over 2 is equal to 3. 2 is dividing here. So here we are multiplying on right side. So 3 dividing x is equal to 2. So this is the way how to get the answer from this. Now question number 3. The sum of two numbers is 5. Their difference is 1. Find the numbers. So there are two numbers. Let first number is equal to x. Second number is equal to y. And according to the condition, is that the sum of two numbers is 5. Sum of these two numbers is 5. And their difference is 1. Now we have these two linear equations, and we can solve these two linear equations to get these x and y value. In 6.9 exercise, you already solved these linear equations. There are three methods to simplify equating coefficients. Then substitution the values. third by cross multiplication. So we can follow any one of these three methods. But the simple is that adding equation 1 and 2, we get x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. 2x, y minus y cancelled, 6. So 2x is equal to 6, it means x is equal to 6 by 2, x is equal to 3. Put in the value of x in equation number 1 and these two. इनमें से किसी दो में आप वैल्यू पुट कर लो, आपको बस आंसर आ जाएगा, बट फर्स्ट इज इजी. 3 plus y is equal to 5. X, we have 3. So y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to, so x value is equal to 3, y value is equal to 2. Hence, first number is equal to 3, second number is equal to 2. So he is asking the question that there are two numbers, first number is x, second is y, there are two conditions, sum of these two is 5 and difference is 1. So rest is the simplification, simple. So here come to the 5th question. Question number 5. Adnan is 7 years older than Adil. Find the ages when 1/4 of Adnan's age is equal to 1/5, 1/2 of Adil's age. Let Adnan is 7 years older than Adil. So Adil's age is x and Adnan age is x plus 7. Find their ages when 1/4 of Adnan age. 1/4 of, according to the condition, condition 1/4 of Adnan's age is equal to the 1/2 of Adil's age. Adil age is x, Adnan is 7 years old. So x plus 7. According to the condition, 1/4 of Adnan age is equal to 1/2 of Adil age. Now rest is the simplification by cross multiplying. For x, so here we have 2x plus 14 is equal to 4x, or we can also write 4x minus 2x is equal to 14. I have taken this value from left to right, this value as it is. So 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14 divided by 2, x is equal to 7. What is x? X is the age of Adil. Hence, Adil's age, x, that is 7 years. Adnan's age, that is x plus 7. It means 7 plus 7, 14 years. Again listen, Adil's age is x, Adnan's age is x plus 7, because Adnan is 7 years older than Adil. According to condition is that 1/4 of Adnan age is equal to 1 over 2 of Adil. So this is the condition, this is the equation we have. Rest is the simplification, that by cross multiplying 2x plus 14, I have taken this 2x from left to right, so 4x minus 2x is equal to 14. So 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 7. So this is the now question number 7. The denominator of fraction is 5 more than the numerator. But if we subtract 2 from the numerator and the denominator of the fraction, we get 1 over 6 of the fraction. So the denominator of the fraction is 5 more than numerator. So let numerator is equal to x. So denominator 5 more. According to the condition, he is saying that when if we subtract 2 from the numerator, and the denominator of the fraction, 2 subtract from the numerator and denominator both. So x plus 5 minus 2. The answer is we get 1 by 6. So he is saying that 2 is subtracted from the numerator and denominator. The resultant is 1 by 6. So x by 2 divided by x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 6. By cross multiplying, so we get 6x minus 12 x plus 3, or 6x minus x 3 plus 12. Check this value x from right to left and shift this value minus 12 from left to right. So we have 5x is equal to 15, x is equal to 15 by 3, x is equal to 5. What is x? X is the numerator. Here, so numerator is equal to x, that is 5, and denominator x plus 5. So 5 plus 3, 5 plus 5, that is 10. Sorry, here 5, 3, this 3. So 3 plus 5, 8. Numerator is equal to 3, denominator is equal to 8. But in the question he is saying find the fraction. Hence, the required fraction always consists numerator divided by denominator. No need to write this one, I am just telling you this one. So numerator is equal to 3, denominator is equal to, again listen, numerator is equal to x, denominator is equal to x plus 5. According to the condition, he is saying in the question, subtract 2 from the numerator and from the denominator. The result is 1 by 6. So x minus 2 plus 5 minus 2, 3. So x minus 2 divided by x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 6. By cross multiplying, we have 6x minus 12 is equal to x plus 3. Shift the values, combine the like terms, 6x minus x, 5x, 3 plus 12, 15. Divide this 5, cancel by 3, x is equal to 3. Numerator is equal to x, that is 3. Denominator is equal to x plus 5, 3 plus 5, that is 8. And in the question he is asking about the fraction. So the required fraction is numerator divided by denominator. So these are the types of the questions, and try to solve these questions. If you feel any problem in these questions, you may discuss with me. Easy questions, not difficult one. Only the important thing is this portion. What you have to suppose, and what is the condition. Try to understand the condition. This is the only thing in this. Rest is the simplification which you have already solved. Thank you very much.